making some, he's mimicking the birds. You're mimicking the birds? Do you like the sound of the birds? Do you like the sound of the birds? Hello. 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 Who's a pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy? Show me those tail feathers. Bright red. Yes. What's that? What's that? What was that? Huh? Now you want to go silent. You're so pretty. You're so handsome. Should I back up? Am I too close? Come around here. Here we go. There we go. You got beautiful wings, huh? Beautiful tail feathers. Look at you, now you're all shy. Okay. Bye-bye. 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 Hello. Hello.
This,
Hello.
they sing beautifully. And
Wow.
the thing is, you know, when we go away, we've always got a problem now. Before we used to, quite a few years, we stayed with Angela. And, you know, I could ask her to feed the birds and check them. But now when we moved here,
Yeah, not so
it's a
easy.
bit far to come.
Yep. Hello. Oh, they're beautiful.
Oh, they are beautiful. Yes. And they give me so much pleasure, you know. Then I breed this one with that one, and this is not the ideal place for them, but I put them here to protect them
Yeah.
from the wind and that.
Yep.
And I want to move them over onto that side.
Okay.
There, it's a bit more light. And since I
Yeah.
put that up, I'm going to put that medicine and stuff here, and they'll be better off.
Wow.
But
That's
I'll wait
amazing.
until after winter now before I move them. But listen, they're about going on 5 years old now, so they're getting a bit long in the tooth.
Hello.
And you can't sort of put them together because if they're males, they fight.
Oh, yeah.
Unless you've got a bigger cage.
Yep.
And they, as I said, I'm still downscaling, but everything's getting bigger.
Yep. Wow, I didn't even know these were here.
You know, you have one male canary, especially for you, working on your computer all day. You get a canary like that with a male.
Oh, I know.
And you sit there and it keeps you very entertained, you know. And But, you know, one of the things, it's like Sandy's parrot. That thing's going to outlive both of us.
Yeah, they
And
live
we've got
a
a
long
problem
time.
now. Where does it go?
Yeah. Do
Dan,
any of the kids want it, or?
you see what I'm leaving the parrot all my money while it's still alive.
Yep. There you go.
And if it's dead, they lose the money, you see.
Yep.
I don't know. I don't know. Dan is not too bad, you know.
Who's a silly boy? Who's a silly girl? Who's a silly girl? Who's a silly girl? Ooh, yeah. Who's a silly girl? Who's a silly girl? Who's a silly girl? Pretty feathers. Who's got pretty feathers? Yes. Who's a pretty girl?
Steve,
Yeah.
let me see if I can get her to dance.
Okay.
Can you dance with me? Can you dance? Dancey, 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 do. Dancey, 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 do. Dancey, 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 do. That's enough, Mom. You're on camera.
Who's a funny girl?
Eh?
Who's a funny girl?
Lady Clocky Lexi. Kisses for Mommy. Love you, Mom. Love you, Mom. Kisses for Mommy. Call her dogs. Call her cats. Give me kisses. Come on, give me a kissy.
Like, too much attention. I'm not doing this on camera. Is she shaking from fear?
Not fear, it's excitement.
Oh, okay.
She dancing.
Yeah. Dancey, 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 do. Dancey, 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 do.
Clever girl. Clever girl. Whoops. These bonsais. I particularly like this one here. Some of the bonsais. Look at the tomatoes here. It's like growing an onion. I don't know what these are.
You must come and see this. This here